Hi everyone, welcome to Stockings Collector. I hope you all had a wonderful day today and you are living your best lives. You are happy, healthy, and basically maintaining good positive energy throughout the situation. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the most anticipated pair of tights that a lot of you have requested of me to try and review. This pair is the Wolford Neon 40 in a size small, and the color that I'm going to be trying is Gobi. So don't forget to join me at watch.stockingscollector.com to see the full review. So let's give this a try and see how well it fits and feels on my skin.